What name did Adam really call Eve in the Bible? Listen to this.
And the recently discovered Egyptian Christian Bible, called the Nag Hammadi, are of immense importance in revealing lost knowledge. Wherever we looked, we found evidence confirming the claims by geneticists that all mankind came from sub-Saharan Africa, that Eve and Adam were black Africans. The first is the discovery and transcription of lost stone writings of prehistoric Africans. These inscribed stones, located in southern Nigeria in a very rural place called Akom in Cross River State, have been attracting international researchers since the colonial days, but we were the first to see their inscriptions as a form of writing and to actually isolate and transcribe some of these letters. We also found some basic letters of early Egyptian hieroglyphics on the stones of Akom. But the majority of the letters on the stones are from a Dravidian Indian language called Malayalam, as well as symbols now recognized as universal due to the fact that they now form the root of most cultures, religions, and sciences in the world. The antiquity of the stones and the fact that they were discovered in the virgin forest where many were buried underground shows that they were indigenous and that they belong to the twilight days of human history, prehistory indeed. Oral tradition of the natives of Akom say that the inscriptions were executed by the Stone Age people, the first humans to inhabit the area, and that they were invented by the first mother of humankind. They call this first mother Shishe. Her Akom name, Shishe, is the same Hebrew name which Adam called Eve in the biblical story of creation.